Good morning, Maring! Today is Saturday at wala akong trabaho. Ang trabaho ko, mga Maring, ay Monday to Friday lang. So, ngayon ay pumunta kami ng Walmart. Bibili ako ng konting grocery. Konti lang talaga kasi low budget tayo ngayong araw na to. Matagal ako hindi nakapag-grocery shopping kasi minsan yung asawa ko yung bumibili ng grocery. Stop by na lang siya doon galing sa trabaho niya kasi malapit lang yung trabaho niya sa Walmart. So, para save sa gas, siya na lang yung mag-stop doon. Pero ngayon may trabaho siya. So, ako yung pupunta doon sa Walmart. Wala na kaming itlog. Sobrang taas ng listahan ko, mga Maring. Pero konti lang yung mabibili ko ngayon kasi mag-budget ako ng $100 lang for today. Madalang payong yung mga bata kasi uulan ngayon. Yan, may payong sila. Ayan, yung isa na, isuot na siya ng raincoat. Pupunta na kami, yung inaantay ko na lang ay yung bibili na jacket kasi may pinost ako sa Facebook Marketplace dito. May bibili na jacket ng mga bata. So, nabenta ko siya dalawa for $20. Itong dalawa na to. Nandito na kami, Maring. Nag-raincoat si Madam. You wanna close it?
Yeah. She wants more clothes.
You don't have to be. It's fine. It's not really that raining
But
yet.
she wants more clothes. So her shirt will get wet.
Okay.
Well,
Daming tao, Maring. Sabado. Muulan. Ulan.
I want clothes.
It's so cloudy. It's about to rain.
I think the
Pa tayo ng paprika. Ito na yung paprika. Hold it. Put this in a basket, babe. And lemon pepper seasoning. Yan yung ginagamit ko sa pag nagluluto ako ng salmon. You find the lemon pepper seasoning, babe. It's not here.
I think it's a tiny.
Wala yata sila.
It says lemon on it.
Yeah, it says lemon. They don't have it.
No.
So, come here. Sabi, ang daming seasoning, Maring. Oh,
Mama.
kuha tayo ng sugar. Then ng sugar. 30. At pancake mix. We need pancake mix. Hungry Jack.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get 2 of that one.
I want marshmallows.
We don't need marshmallow. Come here. Hurry up. What tayo ng vegetable oil? What else we getting? Tingin muna ako sa listahan, Maring. Kailangan namin na meron na yung itlog, milk, pancake mix, peanut butter, white sugar, and bread. So, kuha tayo ng peanut butter. Saan si peanut butter? Let's go this way. Come here, Ralin Lele. Hindi ko alam kung saang aisle ba yun. This is not it. Move, be.
Oh, we don't have no
It is
more
not
the
here.
chocolate cereal, right?
Cereal.
Yeah. It's
Tingnan niyo yung cereal, Mami.
Cocoa.
Ang laki ng cereal.
Cocoa roots.
That's too big. Ang ganitong size ay ano siya, $9. We'll get a small one. Ito lang munang maliit. You want this one? Come here, Riley. They have the cookie bites. Look. Look, cookies siya na cereal maring. Look, it's cookies. This would be good. $5 yung isa maring. You want this one, Lily? It's cookies cereal.
I don't like it. I want these.
You don't want the cookie cereal?
I want these.
The cookie cereal is good. Where did you get this?
From there, I love it.
Oh.
Yay!
Kuha tayo ng crispy treats. Wala yun sa listahan na ba na nakuha. No, we're not getting that. We already have this. How much is that?
It's... Wait.
Where did you get that one? Where did you get that? No, we're not getting that. It's $4 and it's so small. This one is fine.
Okay.
Or you want the cookie? The other one is cookies.
No, it's fine.
Okay. We need to get a peanut butter.
Mom,
Yeah.
Daddy gave me like one.
Yung budget namin $100.
Mom, I told you I want to
Grabe sila makakuha
Mommy, I told you-
parang
Mommy, I told
unlimited
you-
yung pera namin.
Mommy, I told you I want a tiny drink.
You want a tiny drink?
Yeah, what?
No, we're not getting that tiny drink now. Ito yung problema pag may bata kasama ba.
Mommy, this chocolate cake.
Ang dami nilang kinukuha sa aisle. So, nara yung mga palaman. Nandito na tayo sa mga palaman. We'll try this one. G. It's the same dish. Yes. Kuha tayo ng bread. Isa lang. Isang bread. 1.42 yung isang bread. Mahal. Let's go, Riley.
This is our coffee in it. This coffee.
Yeah, we don't need that. Let's go. Kukuha naman tayo ngayon ng frozen vegetables. Pizza na dito. Okay, hindi dito yung vegetables. These are mga pizza and nuggets. Nuggets. You want dinosaur nuggets? I can't find the dinosaur nuggets. Just chicken nuggets. Dinosaur. That's it. Ito yung dinosaur nuggets na gusto niya. Nasaan ba yung ano? Frozen vegetables. We're here at ice cream section na. Where are the vegetables? No? Meron sila garlic bread, oh. $2 ang garlic bread mo rin. Isa lang. Isa lang ang garlic bread. Try daw natin itong garlic bread. Ay, vegetables. Ay, ito na.
I want to take a look at the
My broccoli, stir fry, chopped spinach, may frozen corn, $2. So, mahal ang corn na rin. Ito din, oh, may ano mix. Broccoli florets, $1 yung bag. Pang isang batch na lukuan. Konti lang yung laman.
Or do you go to the bathroom because I need pee?
Okay, hold on, Lily. We'll get this. Bird's eye. Wow, ang mahal. $6 yung bag. Ah, mustard. Wala kaming mustard. Yellow mustard.
We get these.
This?
Yeah, we do.
How much is that? $1?
Sometimes this.
We'll get this.
Sometimes this. I like.
Wow. Gusto ko to maring, oh. Another mixed vegetables. Corn, my peas, my green beans. Come here, stop doing that. Pag frozen vegetables kasi ang binili marin, matagal siyang masisira. Kasi hindi naman ako everyday nagluluto ng my vegetables. Kasi pag nagluluto ako ngayon, naglalas yan siya mga 2 to 3 days. So, madaling masira ang ano, vegetables. Just get banana, then we need to go. Going home.
Banana. Chicken nuggets. Banana.
Kina-exceed na taan ni na, di na takauli.
I want the fresh one. Wait.
We'll get it next week. Come here. Lily, you want banana? Okay, we'll just get one banana.
I'll get the banana. I'll get the banana.
Look. Laki ng mangga maring, oh. Laki ng mga mangga ni Lolo. Grabe, ang laki. My orange. Let's go, Lily. Move it. Wow! Look at the bell pepper. It's so big. The bell pepper is huge and the onion. Look at the onion. It's so big.
Banana.
Okay, move. We're gonna get banana.
I'll get the banana.
No, don't get that one.
This banana's good.
No, I'll pick the nice looking one. Maybe this, but the small. We need carrots though. Come here. Oh, my favorite salmon, $8. Atlantic salmon. $24. Isang ganito lang. Isang kainan lang tumaring. Too expensive.
This is a crab.
Yeah, those are crab. Now we're gonna get ground beef. Two. Sorry. Come here, Lily. Hurry up. You need to go. That's it.
I'm turning it. tower. Mom, leaving the tower.
Hold on, babe. Oh no.
Mommy, come here. Mommy,
Bring it here, hurry up. So ito yung lahat yung nabili ko, Maring. That is worth $134. So nag-exceed ako sa aking budget na dapat $100 lang. Nasaan ba yung resibo? Wala ang resibo, Maring. Basta ito na siya lahat. So i-unload ko na para maka-uwi na kami. Put your seatbelt.
Oh, why does it feel so good after? I think it feels so good. It feels so good after.
Oh, no.
Let go outside. That's the wallet.
Yeah. Not really for the 134.
But
We've only bought a little bit.
You didn't buy a lot of groceries. Can we fix the pumpkin cookies today?
Yeah.
And tomorrow maybe the chocolate chip.
Okay. Bumili ako ng cookies, Maring. Yung frozen cookies. Meron na sila nitong pumpkin. Ibibake ko lang siya. Ready-made na siya, mga Maring. Ibibake mo lang. May chocolate chips flavor din.
Mommy, I can see the cup.
Tsaka yung biscuits. Ito yung pang breakfast nila dito, yung biscuits. Para lang siyang ano ba, butter bread. So, ibibake lang siya. Wala sila nung malaking itlog yung nasa box. So, ito lang yung kinuha ko, yung dalawang tigi 18 pieces na itlog. So, I'm done, Maring. Lagay, oh. Sa uli ko muna tong cart. Yung iba, hindi nila sinasauli yung cart ng maayos. Lily. Ay.
I think I saw Daddy's car.
Where?
It's like a black car. It says Nissan. It's the same. It's like a same. It's the same car like.
No, that's
Daddy's.
not Daddy. It's the same car like as Daddy, but it's not the same plate number.
Can we stay here for a while?
No, we gotta go, babe. I'm hungry. We need to eat.
No, we should have got food from Walmart.
No, you don't need to buy all the time. Yung bibili sana ng hoodie, nasa work pa daw siya. Mamaya pa daw. So, mamayang alas 5 na lang. Kasi nasa work pa daw siya. Nagantay ako sa kanya hanggang 12. Yun pala, hindi pa siya makakapag-out. Kasi nasa work pa siya. So, ito yung binili ko sa sweldo ko maring ang groceries. Kasi ako na yung magbibili ng groceries every week pag may trabaho ako. Para yung asawa ko makakonsentrate siya sa pagbayad ng credit cards. Kasi yung credit cards na max out na.
10? Yeah.
So, para naman makatulong din ako kahit na maliit lang. So, meron akong trabaho mga maring. Yung trabaho ko ay sa cafeteria ng eskwelahan. So, nagsasab ako doon. Swerte ko kasi everyday meron akong trabaho. Kasi kailangan nila ng tao. Kasi mostly kapag sub ka, tsaka ka lang magkakaroon ng trabaho pag may nag-absent na regular employee. Pero doon, para akong naging permanent. Everyday may work ako kasi nga, kailangan talaga nila ng tao. So, pag may trabaho, every week may sweldo ako kahit konti. Kaya, ako, ito yung ginagawa ko. Ako yung bibili ng grocery. Pang good for 1 week. Yung gasto namin sa grocery is mga $400 to $600 a month. So, yun. Napakamahal ng groceries mga maring. Konti lang yung binili mo, ang laki ng babayaran mo. Hindi kami bumili ng so ganyan sila, no? Pag nagda-drive ako, ganyan yung sila nag-aaway. Hindi muna ako bumili ng mga karne ngayon kasi baka next week na. Ganito kami pag nag-grocery maring yung yung pinakakailangan ngayon, yun muna yung bibili namin. Kumbaga, unti-unti ba. Yung listahan ko napakataas pero unti-unti yung binibili. Meron pa naman kaming karne sa freezer. So, pero konti na lang talaga ang natira. Siguro pag bumibili kami ng karne na punuin talaga yung freezer, mga $600. Pero umaabot yan ng 2 months. Yung mga karne namin kapag talaga bulk yung bibilhin namin doon sa butcher. So umabot siya ng 2 months kasi na grocery kasi bumili yung asawa ko months ago. $600 yung na gastos niya pero 2 months siya worth. So ayan, so susunod na naman uubusin muna namin yung nandoon sa freezer at susunod ay mga karne naman. Mas makakasave kasi kami kapag sa butcher kami bumili. Hindi lahat, pero pag yung mga malakihan like pork shoulder, yung pork belly, yung ground beef, yun, mas makakasave doon. Sobrang puno ng parking lot ngayon. Minsan may Sabado na wala talagang tao. Yan sobrang puno. Napakadaming tao. Ito ba? Yung asawa ko ngayon nasa trabaho, bukas pa siya uuwi. So, kami lang ng mga bata. Sabado ngayon mga maring. Magpapagas muna ako ng $10. Let's go maring.
But now I'm gonna buy a boring phone. But there's no sparkles on it. Guess I'll give you like $1 so buy a phone. Okay? So is that fine? Yeah, like a sparkle. I saw a sparkle. Oh, I'll give you. And it's saying
Napuno man ang gasolinahan. Uwi na lang siguro, no?
I hope that.
Siguro
You buy
bukas
it?
na lang.
How many it costs? $10,000 or 100?
Puno ang gasolinahan maring.
100, so
Uwi na lang kami maring. Baka bukas na lang ako magpagas.
So,
Kasi pupunta naman kami bukas sa sa city, yung ibang town
is it
dito.
$100 or $10,000?
Kasi may isa sa uli yung asawa ko.
$100 and then I buy the sparkly golden phone because it was really rich. Okay. Probably just Popeyes.
Ano?
I never went to Popeyes before.
Oh, I haven't tried that one. We're going home.
Duh.
Alam mo natin to sa freezer. Itong bread, nilalagay ko sa freezer para hindi mag-molds. Nag-molds kasi siya dito sa Pag nilalabas ko siya tapos hindi nakakain agad, nilagay ko siya sa freezer.
I want eating.
Okay, wait. Can you remove these bags here? You wanna bring this in school? Hmm?
Um,
Wanna bring some of this in school?
yeah, like it's so yummy.
Yeah. Gatas pala. With milk. You can turn on the
Sit right here. Sorry. This is going so fun. Want to hear some music?
wait.
Just want to hear some music?
Lagay natin siya sa kabilang freezer. Hala, ang cute. Ang cute ng cookies. Ganito yung loob niya, Maring, oh. Ang cute naman ito. So, lalaki to pag naluto na. Naantok ako, mga Maring. Ano ba to? 12 to 14 minutes. Wait muna ako sa oven. Ng a minute.
With this?
Yeah, we'll make dinosaur gummies next time. Lagay ko muna itong ano, itlog. Transfer ko siya dito. Let the dogs in, babe. They're done. It's yellow.
I like the color of my book bag,
It's pink.
but my book bag is color pink and purple.
Mm-hmm.
My skin is color pink too. And Axolotl is pink. My book bag is pink, and then even my scooter.
Sarap kaya tong Jif, Maring? Hindi ko pa na-try ang brand na to. Kasi yung peanut butter namin yung ano, yung pangalan nun.
Why
Peter
you
Pan.
got, Mommy? Why you got Jif yesterday and you buy more Jif? Why do you always love Jif?
That's good. Parang mas gusto ko to kaysa ano, Peter Pan. Yung peanut butter dito, di masyado matamis. Medyo maalat. Kalimutan ko yung cellphone ko sa sasakyan, mga Maring. Iba na talaga ngayon. Napaka makakalimutin ko, eh. Para ako merong ano ba, short term amnesia. Naluto na ang cookies, Maring. Ito na siya. Kinain na ng mga bata yung iba. Sarap siya. Sobrang tamis ng cookies. Dip natin sa ano, gatas. Wala,